There's no way on earth that I'm going to finish on time. I have a lot to do, too many tasks, lots of deadlines that possibly I'm not going to meet, and I don't know where to start. Can you help? Definitely, of course. Anytime. I'll carry you on my head. Please don't. Definitely, yeah. Do you want people to eat my face? Why? Hello everyone and welcome to our newest episode in the universe. My name is Miriam and this mic does not work. Now, have you ever talked to someone and they gave you the look like you just cursed their grandma? That's what happens when you translate literally from Arabic into English. Today, I'll be teaching you 10 phrases that we use it in Arabic and how you can actually use it in English in a natural and native way. Number 1 is don't pour salt on my wound. We use that in Arabic when someone is like reminding you that you failed on something, or when they remind you of something that hurts you or something bad in general and just it bothers you. You don't want to be reminded of that and they keep going, so they pour salt on your wound. We use that in Arabic, but you cannot really say it in English. You can either say that was a low blow, that was a low blow, or you can say stop rubbing it in, stop rubbing it in, stop rubbing it in. By the way, the G is technically silent, so don't say rubbing it in, it's stop rubbing it in. Number 2 is he's eating my brain. He's eating my brain. People will think that you're a zombie, or that person that you're talking about is a zombie because he's eating your brain. That's what zombies do. So instead of saying he's eating my brain, you can either say he's nagging me, or you can say he's talking my ear off, he's talking my ear off. Basically, you use that term when someone, for example, is texting you constantly. They cannot stop, like 1 message, 2, 5, 10, 11, 20, or they're just sending you voice notes with like 11 minutes. So he's eating your brain. He's like talking non-stop or texting non-stop. So you either say, as we said, he's talking my ear off, or he's nagging me. Number 3 is I'll carry you on my head. I'll carry you on my head. We use that in Arabic, for example, when you want to offer help to someone. So you'll do whatever it takes to help them. Instead, you can say, I've got your back. I've got your back. Or you can say, you're in good hands. You're in good hands. You are in good hands. The next one is living in watermelon water. That's a weird term that we use it. I don't know if Arabs use it, but we Egyptians, we use it a lot. We say, you live in watermelon water. It means that you know nothing at all. Like you're completely blind. You have no clue. So either you say you're clueless, you are clueless, or you can say you're totally oblivious. I prefer that one, to be honest. You're totally oblivious. The next one is my goal is spelled. My goal is spelled. That means when you're holding in frustration or you're extremely frustrated and you exploded. You cannot take it any longer. Instead, you can say, I snapped or I lost it. I snapped, I lost it. The next one is, because I've lost count, is people eat my face. People eat my face. We use that in Arabic to say that someone is talking bad about me. People talk shit about you. That's basically the meaning. People eat my face. What can we use instead? You can either say they're slandering me, they are slandering me, or they talk trash about me. The next one is I'm at my last. I'm at my loss. That term, we use it because when you're completely frustrated, you're done, that's it. So either you say, I'm done, which is the simplest thing, or you can say, I'm not taking it anymore, or I can't take it anymore. I'm not, or I can't. I can't take it anymore. The next one is buy your brain. Buy your brain. We use that term when someone is too nosy, like he's interfering in things that's technically none of his business. So instead of saying buy your brain, like ignore it, you can say ignore it, as I said, or better, you can say mind your own business. Mind your own business. The next one is there's no smell of blood on you. There's no smell of blood on you. And no, we don't use that when someone is suspicious and you say there's no smell of blood on you. We don't use it for that because I know it kind of makes sense. I don't know why we're not using in these terms, but we don't. So we use this term when someone is acting in an unrespectful way and he doesn't have a shame. So you can either say you're shameless, or you have no decency. You have no decency. The last one, and my favorite one, is the monkey in his mother's eyes is a gazelle. The monkey in his mother's eyes is a gazelle. It's technically that classic mom that says that her son is the most handsome person on earth. He's the most successful person on earth. He's the most wanted person on earth. Well, he's not. Nobody actually gives a damn about him. But the monkey in his mother's eyes is a gazelle. That's an incredible one. If you're not an Arab, you're missing a lot, my friend. Instead, you can say, the beauty is in the eye of the beholder. The beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And that's it, my friend. You've come to the finale of our video today, and we've got the mic again. It's still not working, but I love holding it like that. So let me know in the comments if you have any other phrases that you're familiar with and how you can say it actually in English. And last but not least, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that with a friend who always say, I'll carry you on my head. Or sometimes, you're above my head. See you next week.